So good morning dear students. Today we will do chapter fractions. We all know that what is the fractions. You know that fraction is a part of the whole. Let for example, this is a chapati, okay, cooked by your mother. If you are two brothers, only one chapati will be distributed in you two brothers, so you will get half and half. So why we have need the fractions? With the help of fractions we easily can know the part of the whole. Okay, so this is whole chapati and this is half part, this is also half part. So last year we have done that. For example, this is also we will distribute in 4 parts. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So it means you will get a total 1 part. Okay. So let for example 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. All are same. So you will get LCM 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will get whole number. Yes and no. So this is 1 chapati, you will get 1. So next topic is types of fractions. So first of all, proper fraction. Second is improper fraction. We know that we can represent the fraction n upon d form. N for numerator and d for denominator. We can also say that p upon q. So p upon q never is equal to 0. कभी भी आपका q डिनोमिनेटर 0 के इक्वल नहीं होना चाहिए. So n is numerator, d is denominator. So here 1 is the numerator and 4 is denominator. Okay. And always denominator is the bigger than 0. So proper fraction, if denominator is the bigger than numerator, so this is proper fraction. Let for example 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 2 by 5, 6 by 7, 7 by 8, 8 by 9. So are you looking here? All denominators are greater than numerators. What is numerator? 3, 4, 2, 6, 7 and 8. So this type of the fractions are proper fractions. Next is improper fraction, where n upon d. If denominator, you can say that numerator is the greater than denominator, denominator is the lesser than numerator, you can say that numerator is the greater than denominator. This type of fraction is improper fraction. For example, 4 by 3, 5 by 2, 5 by 3, 5 by 4, 3 by 2 and 7 by 6. Are you looking? All numerators are greater than denominators. Yes and no? 4 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 2, 5 is greater than 3. So all numerators is greater than denominator. This type is the improper fraction. The next topic is like fractions. For example, look here, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 9 by 5, 8 by 5. Are you looking here? All denominators are same. Look, just only all denominators are same. So it means when all denominators of fractions are same, we can say that these type of fractions are like fractions. Understood? The next topic is unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 7, 7 by 9. Are you looking? All denominators are different. So when all denominators of fractions are different, we can say that these types of the fractions are unlike fraction. The next is mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. When any whole number add with the fraction, we will get mixed fraction. Let for example 3 plus 4 by 5. You will get 3 and 4 by 5. What is this? Mixed fraction. Okay. So what is this? 3 and 4 by 5 is mixed fraction. How can you solve it? 5 multiply 3 plus 4, you will get 5. You will get a fraction, whether it is the like or unlike. So you know that this is the improper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator. Then sixth topic is equivalent fractions. For example, 1 by 2, 2 by 4. So what is the equivalent? Equi means those are equal. How can you check? This is left side, this is right side. 4 into 1, 4. 2 into 2, 4. Cross multiply. So both sides are equal. So we can say that both fractions are equivalent. Okay. Then next. Okay. So what is the main topic? Conversion of unlike fractions into like fractions. So this is a very important topic. So first of all, you will take 3 steps. What is the 3 steps? Number 1, find the LCM. Find LCM, lowest common multiple of all denominators of the given fractions. Number 2 step, so make the denominators of every given fraction same. So what will we do? We will make all denominators of the fractions same. Okay. Then third is multiply the numerator by the quotient from dividing the LCM by the denominator of the unlike fraction. So हम इसे एग्जाम्पल से समझेंगे. Very important. Let for example 3 by 7, 2 by 5 and 1 by 9 change into like fraction. You know that all denominators are different, so it means these are unlike fraction. We are convert into like fraction. So what will we do? So first of all, we will take LCM of 7, 5 and 10. 7, 5, 10. So you will get 7 into 2, 14 into 5, 70. So what is the LCM? 70. So 3 by 7 is equal to 70. You know that 7 divided by 70, 10. So multiply both up and down by 10, 30 by 70. Then 2 by 5, 5 divided with the 70, you will get 14. So multiply up and down 14, so 20. The next is 1 by 10. So 70 divided by 7, 10, 7 by 7. So now look here, 30 by 70, 28 by 70 and 7 by 70. All are same denominator. So now these are the like fractions. What is this? Like fractions.